Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset explore page on Instagram. So actually it's very easy. I'll show you how to do that. Make sure you watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open the Instagram, and here we need to find our algorithm. To do this, we need to go to the Reels, and basically here in the Reels section, in the top right corner, we can see a little settings button with the two little hearts. So simply click on it, and here you will see the description of your algorithm, how it looks like right now. So in my case it is humor with a twist, etc. So if I want to reset the whole explore page and the whole algorithm, all I have to do is to simply click on the three dots in the top right corner and go and click on the more content preferences. So now the last option here is just reset suggested content. So click on it. And now it asks us if we want a fresh start. So basically, yes, we want a fresh start. We want to reset our explore page. Click on the next button. Here will be the list of the accounts that you follow. If you want to refresh everything, you can just scroll down and see what accounts do you follow and unfollow, of what accounts you don't need to follow, you don't want to see anymore. Moreover, there are some accounts in your feeds that are shown in your feed. You can also unfollow some of them to refresh your feed as well. Go to the ad topics as well and see what ads do you see on the Instagram. So go and click on the special topics and turn off some of them if you don't want to see them. So for example, I don't want to see any of gambling, so I just turn it off and I'll see less of gambling ads. Now go back and just simply go and click on reset suggested content in the bottom side of the screen, and that is basically how you can reset the explore page on Instagram. And basically that is it. That is how you can reset explore page on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.